Welcome you all on my YouTube channel Shubh Online Classes. In this video, I discuss with you some important MCQ for NTA UGC Net Paper 2 Commerce. Let's start with question number 1. Tax planning brings reduction in tax liability of the following. Option number 1, a company. Option number B, an individual. Option number C, a Hindu undivided family. Option number D, an assessee. Right answer of this question is option number D, an assessee. Question number 2, the reduce tax burden of the assessee by following the provisions of the income tax law is called. Option number A, tax planning. Option number B, tax avoidance. Option number C, tax evasion. Option number D, tax management. Right answer of this question is option number A, tax planning. Next question, an exercise undertaken to minimize tax liability throughout the best use of all available allowances, deduction, exclusions, exemptions, etc. to reduce income tax liability is known as. Option number A, tax evasion. Option number B, tax planning. Option number C, tax avoidance. Option number D, tax loading. Right answer of this question, option number B, that is tax planning. Next question, question number 4. The technique of keeping the tax liability at the minimum level without violating tax law and without defecting the main intention of law is called. Option number A, tax evasion. Option number B, tax avoidance. Option number C, tax planning. Option number D, none of these. Right answer of this question, option number C, that is tax planning. Next question, question number 5. Taking full advantage of loopholes of law so as to attract least incident of tax is known as. Option number A, tax evasion. Option number B, tax avoidance. Option number C, tax planning. Option number D, tax management. Right answer, option number B, tax avoidance. Next question, question number 6. Which of the following is based on the measure which circumvents law? Option number A, short range planning. Option number B, purposive tax planning. Option number C, permissive tax planning. Option number D, long range planning. The right answer of this question is option number B, purposive tax planning. Next question is, tax planning opposites rise due to different in amongst various countries. Option number A, tax rate. Option number B, tax exemptions. Option number C, both A and B. Option number D, neither A nor B. Right answer of this question, option number C, both A and B. Our next question is, who do people often define to tax evasion? Option number A, as a victimless crime, as a pointless battle that wastes resources. Option number C, as a crusade against the rich. Option number D, as a crime against the taxpayer. Right answer of this question is option number D, as a crime against the taxpayer. Question number 9. What is the expected to cut out tax avoidance? Option number A, to change in law to make it illegal. Option number B, an amnesty for those involved in avoidance. Option number C, the government introducing more resources to fight the problems. Option number D, to introduction of professional conduct in relating to taxation code. Right answer of this question, option number B, an amnesty for those involved in avoidance. Our next question is question number 10. What is the difference between tax avoidance and tax evasion? Option number A, avoidance is done by corporates. Option number B, there is no difference in law. Option number C, avoidance is legal and evasion is illegal. Option number D, evasion is done by individuals. Right answer of this question, option number C, avoidance is legal and evasion is illegal. Our next question is question number 11. Tax planning is a moral way of tax saving. In it, a taxpayer reduce tax liability, honesty, and it's a long-term process. The definition is given by Professor Calder, Professor Dalton, Elderson, or Andrews. Right answer of this question, option number A, Professor Calder. Our next question is question number 12. Consider the following statement. Legal provision are not following in tax planning. ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है इसका, द एडवांटेज due to loopholes of tax law are taking in tax avoidance. Option number 3 है इसका tax evasion is municipal crime. Which of the statement as given above is are correct code? Option number 1 है इसका both A and both 1 and 2. Option number B only 3. Option number C both 2 and 3. Option number D all of the above. Right answer of this question is option number C both 2 and 3 are right. Next question, question number 13. Considering the following statement, option 1 है इसका to file return of income on prescribed date is covered under tax management. Second है tax planning is always possible without tax management. 3 है tax management is done prior to tax planning. Which of the statement given is our correct code? Option number A both 1 and 2. Option number B only 3. Option number C both 2 and 3. And option number D all of the above. Right answer of this question option number A both 1 and 2 are the right correct and statement. Question number 14. Consider the following statement. Point 1 है concealment of income is a step of tax evasion. Point number 2 है tax evasion is a immoral process. Point number 3 है tax planning is long and short term. Which of the statement given is our correct code? Option number A only 1. Option number B only 3. Option number C both 2 and 3. Option number D all of the above. Right answer of the question all of above. All of above. Our next question, question number 15. Considering the following statement, tax avoidance is temporary. Tax planning is temporary in nature. Which tax avoidance is permanent? Certain conditions relating to section of the act are to complain in tax management. Which of the statement given above is our correct code? Option A only 1. Option B 1 and 2. Option C only 2. Option D all of the above. Right answer of this question 1 and 2 only both 1 and 3 is the right answer. Our next question, question number 13. Question number 16. X is an individual for the assessment year 2012-13. His gross total income is 3,40,000 rupees. Tax on it is 16,480 rupees. To reduce his tax liability, he deposits 50,000 in Public Provident Fund (PPF). Consequently, his taxable income and tax liability will be reduced to 1,10,000 and 11,330 respectively. What he say? ये क्या कहलाएगा आपका? ऑप्शन नंबर ए टैक्स इवेशन, ऑप्शन नंबर बी टैक्स प्लानिंग, ऑप्शन नंबर सी टैक्स अवॉइडेंस एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी टैक्स मैनेजमेंट. राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज कॉल्ड टैक्स प्लानिंग. इट इज अ टैक्स प्लानिंग. Our next question, question number 17. If a sum of money is gifted by a husband to his wife, income generated therefrom is taxable in the hand of husband under the clubbing provision of section 64 subsection 1. Section 64 subsection 1 is not applicable if gift is made by the same person out of the fund of his Hindu undivided family is capacity as karta of the family. In such a case, it is tax evasion. Option A tax, option B tax planning, option C tax avoidance, option D tax management. Right answer of this question option number C, that is tax avoidance. Our next question. Consider the following statement. Point 1. Tax planning is not essential for every assessee, while tax management is essential for every person. Otherwise, he may be liable for penal interest, penalty and processions. Option B इसका जो है वो है in tax planning, alternate economic activity or studies and an activity with least incident of tax is settled, whereas tax management includes maintenance of account in prescribed form, get their audited, filled the required form and return payment of taxes etc. Point 3. Tax planning always done in isolation. Point 4. Tax planning is guide in decision making, while tax management is a regular feature of an undertaking. Which of the statement are correct? Option A both 1 and 2, option B only C, option C 1 2 3 1 2 4, option D 2 3 4. Right answer of this question is option number C. 1, 2, and 4 is the correct answer. Our next question, question number 19. The replacement may be of option A defective parts, option B entire machinery, option C substantial part of the entire machinery, option D all of the above. Right answer of this question, option number D, all of the above. Next question, question number 20. An expenditure incurred to present and maintain an existing asset is option A maintenance, option B repair, option C current repairs, option D current maintenance. Right answer of this question, option number B, that is repairs. Our next question, question number 21, which is when expenses incurred on replacement of an asset are capitalized, it will option A decrease tax liability, option B increase tax liability, option C have no impact on tax liability, option D decrease block of asset. Right answer of this question, option number B, that is increase tax liability. Our next question, question number 22. A loss in business suffered due to fall in demand, high rate of taxes, change in technology, and option D all of the above. Right answer of this question, option number D, which is all of these. Our next question, question number 23. To reduce tax liability in case of income is high in relevant year, the pace of repair and renewal can be option A natural, option B slower, option C faster, option D none of these. Right answer of this question, option number C, that is faster. Our next question, question number 24, which is cost of issue of share is allowed as deduction in option A the same year of issue under section 32 subsection D, option B 3 year under section 33 subsection D, option C 5 year under section 35 subsection D, option D 7 year under section 36. Right answer of this question, which is option number C 5 year under section 35D. Our next question, question number 25. If the business or profession has been discontinued, unabsorbed depreciation can be option A set off against income from business or profession, option B set off against income from any head, option C carried forward and set off from for identify period, option D all of the above. Right answer, option number D, all of the above. Our next question, question number 26. The cost of own asset is in computing the income. Option A deductible, option B not deductible, option C capitalized, option D none of these. Right answer of this question, option number B, which is not deductible. Next question, question number 27, which is non-availability of depreciation to the lessee will his tax liability. Option A decrease, option B increase, option C have no impact on, option D none of these. Right answer of this question, option number B, which is increased. Next question, question number 28. The interest on borrowed fund are under higher purchase installation system is in computing the income. कौन सा होगा? ऑप्शन ए डिडक्टिएबल, ऑप्शन बी नॉट डिडक्टिएबल, ऑप्शन सी एडेड बैक, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज. राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, ऑप्शन नंबर ए, विच इज डिडक्टिएबल. Our next question, question number 29. When the asset is purchased or acquired under hire purchase installment system, the depreciation is in computing income. Option A allowed, option B not allowed, option C added back, option D none of these. Right answer of this question, option number A, which is allowed. Our next question, question number 30, which is in case of asset with large residual value, it is better to it rather than taken on. Option A fire purchase, lease. Option B purchase, hire purchase. Option C purchase, lease. Option D purchase, installment. The right answer of this question, option number A fire purchase, lease. Question number 31 है in case of dash the profit of dash will be the loss to the option A lease, lessor and lessee, option B lease, lessee and lessor, option C hire purchase, seller finance, option D hire purchase, hiree and seller. Right answer of this question, option number A, which is Lease, lesser, and lessee. Question number 32. In case of replacement of a part only, the expenditure of for such replacement is dash in computing the income. Option A deductible, option बी नॉट डिडक्टिबल, ऑप्शन सी एडेड बैक, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज. तो इसका जो सही आंसर होगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए विच इज़ डिडक्टिबल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 है. इन केस ऑफ मेक और बाय डिसीजन द प्रोडक्ट इज कंज्यूमेबल वन रॉ मटेरियल आर रिक्वायर्ड टू रिप्लेस ए वॉन्ट out part of at the time of repair, it cost will be treated as expenses and deductible in computing the income. Option A capital, option B revenue, option C deferred revenue, option D abnormal. Right answer of this question option number B which is revenue. Our next question number 34. Where an expenditure is incurred to bring a new asset into existence or to obtain a new or fresh advantage, it is considered as to option A replacement, option B renewal, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Right answer of this question option number C which is both A and B. Our next question number 35. Dash neither refers to petty repairs nor the repairs carried out year to year, but it refers to the repairs carried out presently, whether it cost may be option A maintenance, option B current maintenance, option C current repairs, option D repairs. Right answer of this question option number C which is current repairs. Our next question number 36. The amount paid on account or repair of current repair shall not include any expenditure in the nature of option A revenue expenditure, option B capital expenditure, option C deferred revenue expenditure, option D both A and B. Right answer of this question is which is option number B, that is capital expenditure. Our next question number 37. Dash is an arrangement that provide a person with the use and control over an asset for a prior payable periodically without having a little of ownership. Option number A lease, option number B royalty, option number C hire purchase, option number D indirect sale. इसका जो राइट आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए विच इज लीज. Our next question. If a concern has surplus capacity and even decide to buy a product, it may require to sell a part of its plant and machinery. In such a case, it may be liable to option A income tax, option B capital gain tax, option C deduct depreciation, option number D none of these. Right answer इस क्वेश्चन का हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी जो कि है कैपिटल गेन टैक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. If an asset is used for scientific research related to the business of SAC is used in business for some times and then sold, the selling price is deducted from the WDV यानी written down value method of the block of asset. This will reduce option A profit for that year, loss for that year, tax liability for that year, option D none of the above. इसका जो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी विच इज़ टैक्स लाइबिलिटी फॉर दैट ईयर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 है. इफ़ एन एसेट यूज्ड फॉर साइंटिफिक रिसर्च relating to the business of SAC is used in business for some times and then sold, for selling price is deducted from the option A profit, option B WDV of the block of asset, option C cost of asset, option D scrap value. इसका जो राइट आंसर होगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी विच इज़ WDV of the block of asset. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 है. If an asset used for scientific research relating to the business of SAC is used in business for some time and then sold, the selling price is deducted from the WDV of the block of asset. This will bring more cash in hand and tax liability will option A decrease in future, option B increase in future, option C same in future, option D none of these. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर होगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी इंक्रीज इन फ्यूचर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 42 है. इफ द प्रोडक्ट either manufacture or purchase it is capital asset, its cost will not be allowed as a deduction in computing the income. However, if the asset in such on which depreciation is allowed, it will be allowed in case of ऑप्शन ए मैन्युफैक्चर्ड, ऑप्शन बी परचेज, ऑप्शन सी हायर परचेज, ऑप्शन डी बोथ ए एंड बी. राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज option number D, which is both A and B. Question number 43. In which of the following cases dividend tax is not charged? Option 1. With effect from 1st April 2009, the amount of dividend paid to any person for on behalf of the new pension system trust of second point है when the dividend is interim. Option 3 है इसका जो if such dividend is paid by accumulated profit 4 point है if dividend distributed on or after 1st April 2005 out of income generated from special economic zone. Select the correct answer using the code given below. और ऑप्शन नंबर 1 है ओनली 1, ऑप्शन नंबर बी है 1 and 4, ऑप्शन नंबर सी है ओनली 2, ऑप्शन नंबर डी है नन ऑफ एबव. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 ऑप्शन नंबर बी विच इज़ 1 and 4. तो राइट आंसर इसका 1 and 4 हो जाएगा. तो 4 वाला जो पॉइंट है इफ़ डिविडेंड सब्सक्राइब्ड इफ़ dividend distributed on or after 1st April 2005 out of income generated from special economic zone. Question number 44 है in the following cases it cannot be said that the business has been discontinued. Option point number 1 है whether the business of the SAC has been shifted from one premises to other. Point number 2 है whether the business of the SAC has been shifted from one market to another. Point number 3 है whether where one or other department of the business had been closed down. Point 4 है where the business of an individual undertaking carried on in India is discontinued in any previous year due to extensive damage and such business is restablable within 3 years. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Code है इसका only A, only 1, only 2, both 2 and 4, both 1 and 3 and option number D है all the above. इसका जो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45 है आपका विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंडीशन आर सेटिस्फाइड इन केस ऑफ सेल ऑफ डेप्रिशिएबल एसेट इन विच एसएसी हैज क्लेम डेप्रिशिएशन एंड सेल वॉज in event of discontinuance of business. Point 1 है the difference between the net consideration and WDV shall be treated as short term capital gain or losses. Point 2 है if the difference between the net consideration and WDV result in gain then it will be liable to tax. Point 3 if the difference between the net consideration and WDV result in loss then it will set off against any head. Select the correct answer using the कोड गिवन बिलो. कोड है इसका ऑप्शन ए ओनली 1, ऑप्शन बी बोथ 1 and 2, ऑप्शन सी है बोथ 1 and 3, ऑप्शन डी है बोथ 2 and 3. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर होगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी विच इज़ बोथ ऑप्शन नंबर डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46 है डबल टैक्सेशन रिलीफ कोड बिल. कोड बी डबल टैक्सेशन का जो कोड है वो क्या हो जाएगा बायलैटरल रिलीफ, ऑप्शन बी अनलेटरल रिलीफ, ऑप्शन सी मल्टीलेटरल रिलीफ, ऑप्शन डी बोथ ए एंड बी. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी विच इज़ ए एंड बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47 है बायलैटरल रिलीफ कुड बी प्रोवाइडेड बाई वे ऑफ क्रेडिट मेथड, एग्जम्पशन मेथड, बोथ ए एंड बी, नन ऑफ द एबव. तो इसका जो सही आंसर हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी both A and B. Our next question है 48. Residence rules provide that income is to be taxed in the country. Option A where the recipient of income is a resident, where is originated, both A and B, and last option है none of the above. तो इसका जो सही आंसर हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर A where the recipient of income is a resident. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49 है सोर्स रूल ऑफ द टैक्सेशन प्रोवाइड दैट इनकम इज़ टू बी टैक्सड. तो जो इसका सोर्स रूल है वो क्या होगा. ऑप्शन ए है इन द कंट्री ऑफ रेजिडेंट ऑफ टैक्स पेयर, ऑप्शन बी है इन द कंट्री इन विच सच इनकम ओरिजिनेटेड, ऑप्शन सी है बोथ ए एंड बी, ऑप्शन डी है नन ऑफ द एवं. तो इसका जो सही आंसर हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी इन द कंट्री इन विच सच इनकम ओरिजिनेटेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 है जो कि आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है वेयर एन एसएसी इज़ एलिजिबल टू क्लेम द DTAA benefit? Option A है provision of DTAA shall apply to the SSC. Option B, provision of Income Tax Act shall apply to the SSC. Option number C, provision of DTAA or Income Tax Act, whichever is more beneficial, shall apply to the SSC. Option number D, none of the above. तो राइट आंसर इसका जो होगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज प्रोविजन ऑफ DTAA और इनकम टैक्स एक्ट विच एवर इज मोर बेनिफिशियल सेल अप्लाई टू द SSC। तो ये मेरा वीडियो आज का बेस था जो कि UGC नेट पेपर 2 के लिए था, और ये फास्ट ट्रैक रिवीजन है, इसलिए मैंने ऑप्शन का आपको डिस्क्राइब नहीं किया। और अभी नेट के जो एग्ज़ाम है वो कॉमर्स का जो पेपर है वो है 10 सितंबर को। तो 10 सितंबर के बाद के जो मेरे वीडियो आएंगे वो सारे के सारे फुली डिस्क्राइब्ड हो जाएंगे। तो उन सब में जो वीडियो आएंगे वो पूरी तरीके से डिस्क्राइब वीडियो आएंगे आपके। तो वीडियो अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक और शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच।